Hey, it's me, Leah, and today we're by my pool. And one of the things that is troublesome is this gets really hot during the summer, or you slip off of it trying to get out of the pool because it's wet. This was gifted to me for review, and this is a handrail cover. That basically goes around my pool handrail. I'm actually really kind of excited about this. Rubber gripping on the back. And just like that, this is installed on my pool rail. It was pretty simple to install, actually. You just kind of zip it, and you don't have to worry about the heat on it. Now my pool rail is protected. I don't have to worry about sliding off of it because it has a nice grip. It's not going to be hot when the summer sun touches it. Has a nice padding. It was super easy to install. You literally just zip it up. This was gifted to me and I highly recommend. I couldn't be any happier. It adds some color to my pool. My hands are protected. I won't burn my hand touching this when it's hot, and I won't slip when it's wet. I highly recommend this.